So welcome everyone. Thank you, employees and members for joining. This is Matthew in the design department. I'm going to kind of host the meeting here. We'll just get little reports from each department, and then we'll take like questions from members and a little bit of stuff, and then that'll be it. So we can start out. Support. Do you want to give your short report? Spend a few minutes kind of talking about what's been going on and all that good stuff.
Yeah, I can chime in real quick. Darren here from the operations department. Yeah, we've had a very busy month. I am mostly involved in setting up new clients and supporting existing members. So I've been hard at work with delivering our new product finder and referral technologies to new clients, telling them how to use it, and also educating existing clients on how to use it. We've been dealing with some Amazon issues on technical support. And maybe for a quick synopsis of those, I'm going to throw it over to Paul.
Yeah, so with Amazon, we've been getting several reports from members about listings requiring like safety documentation, which from what I have heard is related to like the age on the products, which honestly doesn't really make sense when it comes to single cards, but it's Amazon. So yeah, right now we're trying to figure that out. And I don't know if Darren mentioned call time, but yeah, we are working getting call time added, as that set gets spoiled and sync with TCG player. So if you are keeping up on Magic and wanting to do pre-orders, make sure you're checking the import page every day for call time to get those singles added.
And we're also still busy at work upgrading members' websites. So any members listening to this, just inquire over chat and we can upgrade your site to one of the 5 themes that we provide.
Okay, sounds like that's it from the operations department. I just chatted to see if someone from engineering could join. I don't see anyone yet. So I'll go ahead and do my report for design. So as with last week, I've been mostly doing member like design requests, helping with, investigate bugs, answer those kind of questions and things like that for design, getting new members set up and all that good stuff. I have spent a little bit of time doing some user experience design and prototyping. There was something that I shared, I think it was last week. Let me share my screen really quick here. Let me see here. Find it really quick. I think this is the right one. Can you guys see this where there's like the aerial modification, product name, etc.? Can you guys see that?
Yes.
So, hello?
Yes, I can see it.
You can or can't? Sorry.
I can.
Okay.
I can.
All right. Cool. Thank you, guys. Confirmation. Let me hide this. So I showed this last week. It's basically a new experience that'll be an option for managing products in your admin in the future. It's not the only way. It's just another way. And this actually is not managing your inventory. It's managing your purchase history, which would be, let's just say I'm a fan or something and I bought a bunch of stuff on the CrystalCommerce network from our members. I would then have all that stuff that I bought in my purchase history. I could review it and add it to my collection, sell it or whatever. And so last week I showed just a basic screen, but I have a little bit of prototyping done and I've made some updates and changes as well. So let's just say that this card that I bought, yes, I just want to add it to my collection. It's private and I'll just add it to my collection. So then I haven't added the thing in yet to the prototype, but there'll be a notification or whatever up here that'll be like, yeah, we just added it, cool. And then the next screen, let's just say that I want to or that I realize that I want to have a reserve quantity because maybe I'm going to sell this. So I could just say, okay, I want 4 reserve quantity, and then I'll sell 4. And then I would click sell it. And then when I click sell it, this changes from add to my collection to add to my inventory. And this has a sell price. I could change this to a different price, and then I could add to my inventory there. And then let's say that I just want to change this and add a different variant. I can delete that, add a variant, and then I have my options here, and I can set that up. So I'm still prototyping. I ran into a little issue with the prototyping software, so I got a support ticket in with them. And then once I get that fixed, I can continue doing the rest of the interactions with that. So that's basically what I've been working on aside from the member stuff. Does anyone have any feedback or questions about this user experience that I've just showed?
So I've got a question. When they're putting it up for sale, is it going up for sale to dealers, or is it going up to sale to the general public?
That's actually a really good question. I think that it would be going up for sale to the general public. Like they would essentially be becoming a fan retailer. Like they're a fan, but they're still selling stuff. Or really, I think this could be used by, I mean, this is retailer as well. So it's just selling publicly, basically. There might be, I mean, there will be eventually a feature where they will be able to kind of sell to other, like business to business kind of thing. So I think there'll be an option for that. But yeah, for now, I think it's just you're actually selling it on your own website. Okay. Cool. Well, if there's nothing else, I will go ahead and stop sharing there. And then I don't see anyone else really that can report. So I think we could just take any questions, Q&A, concerns, etc., from members, if anything.
Oh, going back to the last topic, I have issues with basically turning our customers into clients or into competitors, and at the same time reducing the possible income of cards to our, to the retailers.
So are you talking about the user experience where they can like sell the cards?
Well, right. Because why would they sell it to us if they can just list it online and sell it online?
Right. Yeah, that's a good question. So I kind of actually explained it pretty bad in terms of this admin, or the experience that you saw really is the admin for everyone. So it's actually basically retailers would be using this as well. So it's kind of like any user can do that. So retailers are using it, fans can do it. And if a fan does it, they're just becoming a retailer, but like it's the same thing as just a retailer signing up. I kind of get what you're saying though.
Yeah, because we're building our own competition.
Well, but like I'm saying, whether you're a fan that's going to start selling things, which essentially means you want to become a retailer, or whether you're a retailer using this experience, it's the same thing. It's just someone who wants to sell things. Like there's always going to be more members signing up, and we're going to be getting more, retailers on our platform. So that's really all it is. But I think most fans aren't really going to do that. I think most fans are just going to have their own collection and stuff privately. I don't know if anyone else has anything to say on that. And if Dan was here, he probably would have some comments, but I think he's doing something else. Okay. Franklin, do you have anything to report or comments or anything?
I mean, as far as in general, I've just been trying to, smooth out some of our process flow things, and help with support in general. I don't really have anything germane, I don't think, other than that.
Okay, well, it sounds like we ran a pretty tight ship on this meeting. We got the reports from everyone except, I guess, engineering was dealing with a firefight or something, but that's pretty much it. So I guess we'll call it. and then we'll put this recording up on our YouTube channel so anyone can kind of review that. And then, feel free to reach out to Dan if you have any concerns or anything that you'd like to speak with him about. So thank you, everyone. And
of course, we also do the Zoom
day.
meeting support at 11 every day PST. So feel free to hop in that. That's 7 days a week as well if you have any questions.
Good call. Cool. All right. Well, thank you, everyone. Have a great day.